Hi everyone. I would like to introduce you to Raj. Raj comes from Vijayawada, a T2 city with 2 million population in southern part of India. Raj works as a manager in a small factory and he's married and have 2 kids. And he lives in a 2-bedroom house with a very small kitchen. Like most of the middle class income people, buying groceries is a painful chore for Raj, as most of his neighborhood stores are simply out of stock. As a result, Raj has to visit multiple stores to buy what he needs. Between each store, he needs to fight through traffic. As a result, Raj almost spends 4 hours of his time in a week just to buy groceries. Fortunately, one day Raj found out about online supermarket and he's super excited. Boom, until he finds out $8 is the minimum order value to buy in any online supermarket. But Raj usually buys $2 worth of groceries multiple times in a month. Remember, Raj comes from a middle class family and he doesn't have enough kitchen space to support bulk buying. Clearly, Raj is unhappy as none of the solutions does solve any Raj grocery shopping problems. We are Zasket. We onboard network of community agents like mom and pop shops, homemakers, and part-time workers to bring fresh produce in an inexpensive way. As a result, we have 60% low delivery cost when compared to our competitors. We are Pinduoduo of India. Pinduoduo is a $30 billion Chinese company who bring fresh produce to Chinese middle class income people. Let me show you how we do this in India. One of the community agents is Raj's friend and he shares Zasket app invite link via WhatsApp. Raj then clicks on that link and downloads Zasket online grocery app. And he logins via Truecaller. He doesn't need to give any sign-in details. And he then adds a couple of vegetables and fruits for his next 2-day needs. And his purchase value is $2, as you can see. And he then chooses offline payment and places order in Zasket. The entire process just took 2 minutes for Raj to place order in Zasket. On the other hand, we have network of farmers whom we bring fresh produce every day to our distribution hub. Then the produce that came to the distribution hub go to a rigorous process of sorting, grading, and packing. Then it been go to the final process of picking. We follow a 3-step verification process to ensure there are no missing items. The items that are packed in our distribution hub goes via trucks to community agents. Then our community agents internally distributes to the community in next 3 hours. The produce that came 16 hours back to our distribution hub now is at Raj's doorstep. That's how we do farm to table in 16 hours. The market potential is quite huge. Raj is just one of the 300 million middle class income consumers who is waiting to do grocery online. Social commerce, which is $1.5 billion market today, would likely to go $20 billion in next 5 years. Zasket clearly sets apart from others in terms of low minimum order value and low customer acquisition cost, as we do everything via community agents. Our community agents not only do deliveries, but they also bring customers to our platform. As a result, we have 50% low customer acquisition cost when compared to our competitors. We know how to do this from our past experience. We are a team of 3 passionate founders. Myself worked in Amazon and Swiggy. While in working in Swiggy last mile logistics, I helped Swiggy launch in 10 different cities and took revenue to $5 million. And our COO Dinesh worked in supply chain for the second biggest lubricant product, Mac, and launched Mac in 3 different states and took operational revenue from $25 million to $50 million. And other co-founder, Satya, he worked marketing campaigns for multiple brands like McDonald's, DirecTV, while working in leading agency in Media Mint. We launched Zasket 12 months back in tier 2 city Vijayawada, and we have 30% month-on-month growth and already touched $40,000 monthly sales. We are already the second biggest online supermarket in Vijayawada right now.